Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to add a link to your Instagram story. So let's take a look how to do that. Instagram recently updated their story. Now you can easily post any link to your Instagram story, which is really pretty useful. You can, for that features, obviously you need to update or you need to use the latest version of your Instagram. I already have the latest version of Instagram, so I'm going to open my Instagram account. Now I'm going to click here, your story a skin going to appear just like this. I'm going to click here, a create. Now skin going to be appear like this. I'm going to use this emoji icon and the skin going to be appear here. Now you can easily choose. There is a bunch of options available. I'm going to jump over the link one. Now this is the link and here is the how you have to put the link. The link should be http, just like this is the example. So I already copy one of my videos, so I'm going to paste it over here. Now you can see this is the link and let me make it here done. And now this is how it's going to be looks like. Now here you can easily resize the this text. You can bring any place you want. After that, let me make it here next, and then let me click here share. Now let me make here done, and now you can see I have successfully post a link in my Instagram story. If I go over there, this is how it's going to be looks like. If I tap over this youtube.b, and it's going to be appear just like this skin which is a visit link. If I click over there, we're going to see a video going to be play over here. So within this way, you can easily post any link. It might be your website post, or it might be a video, or it might be a Facebook post, so etc. All these things, if you have a link, you can simply post it in your Instagram story from now. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.